こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Moo is going to make Wasabi Avocado Rice Bowl. This rice bowl is super simple and easy to prepare, but it's surprisingly delicious. The creamy avocado pairs beautifully with the kick of wasabi soy sauce, while the garlic and sesame oil add an irresistible depth and richness to the dish. It's a quick, healthy, and satisfying one-bowl meal. Okay, let's get started. Peel and cut one avocado into bite-sized pieces and place them in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and half a clove of grated garlic, and gently toss the avocado to coat it evenly. Shred half a sheet of nori seaweed. Finely chop half a spring onion. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of soy sauce with half a teaspoon of wasabi paste until well combined. Place 1 portion of steamed plain short grain rice in a serving bowl. Top with the shredded nori seaweed. Arrange the avocado on top. Garnish with the chopped spring onion. And sprinkle with some toasted sesame seeds if you want. Just before eating, pour the wasabi soy sauce over the avocado. Dekita! Moo, how does it taste? Okay, Moo said, it's so easy to make, but packed with flavor, and she enjoys every bite. It's a dish that's both satisfying and surprising. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye. またね